digital gold. TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, never the mission.
That's right, guys. Piper Academy. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. A bingo bango. A bingo and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it's your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. Got a few names. T.I. Joe and Tradester Joe. I do appreciate the family for giving me those names. A bit under the weather, so just kind of give you a heads up. I may be coughing a bunch, maybe a sneeze or two. Allergies. I don't get allergies. I get allergies like maybe once every couple years, but this one is starting to do its number. Plus, very little sleep. So my body's telling me, Joe, you need to get some sleep. Staying busy, guys. Staying busy. All right. So we do have Bullish on Parade. What's going on? What's going on? We also have username. Appreciate you guys for being here. Make sure I am live. Yep, looks live. Okay. So let's look how this looks on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we do have some red. Hype is down 11% on the day, but I do like hype. I really like hype. Hype is going to do some massive moves. If you don't know about hype, I strongly recommend you do some research. D-Y-O-R. Do your own research. Definitely do that. This one, I think it's going to be big, really big. So take a look at that. Of course, we know virtuals is just kicking butt. Where's the other one? Where is AI16Z? Well, anyway, those two are kicking butt. And they're going to continue kicking butt. They have their own ecosystems. Everybody's doing the AI stuff. All right, moving on. Here it is, AIZ, negative 1%. We do have Pepe up 11% on the hour. What do we got on the hour? Nothing too exciting. Well, what is Bitcoin looking like? What is Bitcoin looking like? Let's come over here. Bitcoin is looking like, it looks like it's trapping people. I don't know about you, but you tell me what that looks like. Short, okay, resistance, breaks this level, short, and then a liquidation. Oh, let's go long. Oh, liquidation. Okay, fine, let's go short. Oh, liquidation. Okay, let's go long. Oh, liquidation. Chop City, guys. Chop City. Don't like it. Don't like it at all. So on here, what's the thought process? Thought process is just wait. Now, depending on who you watch and what their technical analysis is, everybody's different. Some may say, oh, short. Some may say go long. Some may say just sit on your hands. I'm literally saying sit on your hands. Wait till the dust settles. Is it going to come down? If we come down, we have really nothing stopping it from coming down here to these levels. Really nothing. So where did it stop at? It stopped way up here. And so it stopped right here at this level. But I mean, all these, of course, are support resistance levels, but I mean, once it breaks these areas, straight shot down, in my opinion. But that's what the market makers want us to think so that they can do this number to us. Of course, always zoom out. So let's go to a 4-hour time frame. Let's kind of look at the candles. It's the same story. Let's see here. Does Tracer Joe rage against the machine? Yes, we got to, guys. We got to. The machine is here to keep us down. And we got to fight. Yes. Sometimes you got to fight for your right to party. I'm just saying. Sometimes. It just all depends. We got Retro Mike in the house. Bingo Bango. Driving but listening. I think Bingo Bango is your middle name. I'm pretty sure of it, Retro Mike. Let's see here. C. Long Acre says, Devi, if time. Look at. Yeah, man. So that's basically our Bitcoin. Sit on your hands. Wait. Nothing more to say about that. You know, we have levels, of course, up and down. It stopped right at our level 2. So if you have coins, let me know. We will get those for you. So here's our level. It broke just above it, just come down. Now what we have to do is we have to watch out, and I'll do this line too. We have to watch this. This is our little zone. Is it going to break above 95.1 and potentially get bullish? Or is it going to break below 91.9? I need to put the mute on my stream deck. But this is what we're looking at. And I was really hoping that we would get another all-time high prior to the year's end. We got a few more hours, guys. We got a few more hours. So do you think we're going to make it? I'm going to say no. I'm going to say no. Hey, how come that one didn't show up? What's going on here? How come it didn't show up? Huh. I see your comment here, but I don't see it over there. Maybe if I put a comment after yours, maybe it'll pop up. Nope. I don't see your comment on my other thing. I don't know why. I have live chats. And let me cancel that one. And that's on top chat. I put it on live chats. There we go. Okay. There we go. So now you're good. So here. Yes, I am using YouTube as my guerrilla radio. Yes. I say here, how about a B-cut to make things interesting? B-cut, yeah. Huh? So that is pretty much a Bitcoin in a nutshell. 95.1 if it breaks above. Hopefully we can come up to our top trend line right around 103. If not, you know, we're looking at 91.9. And if we break that level, I mean, there's other levels. I mean, we got 87.3. So we'll mark that one. 87.3 is our next level. And then after that, just I kind of I wanted this to be done with already like 2 weeks ago. But we have until January 10th. Where's my picture? I did a picture over here somewhere a long time ago. I don't see it. It's okay. I probably deleted it. But anyway, that's what we're looking for. So let's go on with some charts and let's see if we can do anything. So let's go, man. I have a lot of. Oh yeah, I posted this one. This was earlier. I don't even know how it's doing. Let's push play. Oh, that's on the daily, so it's gonna probably do nothing. And then this is this. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and YouTube. The first one was DE. So I don't know about that coin. DE VVE. Sounds familiar though. Sounds familiar. I don't know what the coin is. DEVVE. Ooh, 79 million market cap. Wow. 77 million market cap. Okay. Got my interest. Fully diluted, 274. Okay. Real estate, gaming, marketplace. Wow, they were all over the place. Payment, smart contracts. Let's see their website. Their websites. I like the website. I like the font. So for me, it's very important, like the fonts, just how the website looks in general. Contract address, everything looks very professional, organized. No question as far as what the contract address is. Nice big letters, nice animation. Some people think it's dumb, but I mean, it really does matter. Unlocking global digital assets. I like it. So there's a lot of them like this already, but I like it. Explore our ecosystem. Beautiful fonts. My gosh. Okay. Evergreen Fund. I like the animation. Meet the team. Are they doxed? Meet the team. Visit Linktree. Okay. Don't know if they're the real people, but I'm not going to be clicking everywhere. So unlocking tokenized value rewards access. The Devi, I don't know, token is the cornerstone of growing ecosystem. It will play a vital role with, so this part I don't like. They needed to put like, because it's hard to read. Within the upcoming Dev-E exchange, fascinating, facilitating transactions and reducing fees. It will support, okay, I like. So they have plans. Dev to earn a launch pad and future exchange rewards. Ears are perking up. Staking. Everything I like. Sign me up. I don't know what it does, but sign me up. They have a YouTube video. They really thought this through. If I have any questions, boom, video. Products. Ecosystem. Welcome to the engine room. Contact us. So not even looking at the chart, just looking at their website, how informative they are, the nice big fonts, everything very easy to read. I'm in. Staking, launchpad, exchange, et cetera. I'm in. Like, I'll be watching these videos later. I'm in. How long has this thing been around? Okay. So, wow, this year? So 10 months? Had a really nice run up, which is good. And then, of course, everything started coming down, right around the same time. So not hating on them. They had another nice little run up, 79 million. Okay, now the question is, where can they be found? Beautiful, Mexi. They're already on an exchange. I love it. If they were only on like a Solana ecosystem, base ecosystem, 10 months, hopefully they would have already gotten on at least a very small exchange. I'm seeing nothing but good stuff. See here. Oh my gosh. Username says, I only trust cryptos that send me a fax. Who cares about modern day websites? I can literally picture user's name's house. And he's got his fax, one of the big ones too. And then, it dialing up to connect. And then he's got to be like, oh, hold on, I got to expect the fax. Hold on. And he unplugs the cable from the phone and puts it into the fax machine so it can go. Oh my gosh. I can literally picture him doing that. Oh my gosh. Making me cry. All right. Oh, we did look at this. All right. So looking at this, let's go to a 3-day. Oof, beautiful. Wow. Came down, started going sideways. It could continue going down. Made a higher high. Very nice. Came down, higher low. Great. Needed to break this level in order for us to look at it. It didn't here, and then now it did. I would love to see a pullback, but due to the fact that it's a low market cap, due to the fact that we're getting into the very bullish part of the market, I don't think we're going to do it. So what I would do is I would have a level here and here. Well, no, because of the market cap, I would actually do them here. So if I was going to enter this trade, I would have two lower bids. Here's my thought process. One, low market cap. Two, we're going into the bullish part of the market. So could we see a 40% retracement based off of the market cap? Yes. If the market cap wasn't so low, doubt it. Just because of the market we're in, coming into the market. So let me go ahead and do this. So this would be a lower entry. And for this one, yeah, it's good. And then here would be my next lower entry. Well, listening to my Megadeth with my cassette player, Tracer Joe. Hey, you moved up to the cassette player. I was figuring it'd be the 8-tracks. Hey, technology, I'm telling you, watch out. Watch out. Yeah, it's funny. Okay. All right, so looking at this, I would expect a pullback. I really would. But we have to take into account the market cap and place we are in the market. Pretty soon it's going to get really, really bullish. So if we get lucky, we'll see this pullback to possibly here before coming up. I really like this one. So this is what I'm thinking. The bottom one may not hit. But if it doesn't, it's fine. Maybe you'll get a wick. We'll see. That's what I'm looking at. If it continues up, I would expect something like this, at least to here. So what would the move be up there? Oh, yeah. Up there. That's what I'm looking at. Where's my magnet tool? Get that magnet tool back on. I really like this one. I got a new notebook, new year, new notebook, plus the other one I was already writing on the back of a lot of pages. So this one, I'm going to look further into dev. Ooh, I got to sneeze. Where's my camera? And my mic. 1 second. 1 second. Come on, sneeze. Come on. Sneeze. Sneeze. My face is doing the sneeze face. I can't do it. My eyes watering up though. Let's see here. C. Longacre says, thanks for looking at it. I trust you, Joe. Oh, thank you, man. I always see you on the Road Dog Show. Yes. Yeah, I'm always on there. Sometimes it's just too late. Sometimes, or I'm editing videos or, with my group and everything. But yeah. So for everybody, Road Dog, it's very different. I love it because it's very funny. He has a lot of different characters. If you want something to where it's different and funny, dude makes me laugh all the time. I love it. Let's see here. Let's see. I don't know if I should even put that up before I read it. Nice. I believe it. All right. Let's see here. So these are the two things that I see it doing. I think it's going to do really well. I like this one. So for this one, I would do an enter now, even though we have a very high chance of it coming down. Well, we never know. I mean, it could go up and then pull back. And then what we do is on a lower time frame, say we do have the pullback and it comes up. What goes up is going to come down. And then what we do is we just look for the break of the most recently created high on a lower time frame. If you want, this is on the day. This is on the 3-day, so you can actually do this. What I do on the 4-hour? Yeah, 4 hours looks good. 4-hour. This one you add. So let's go ahead and put this one on here. Oh yeah, YouTube. And then this one is a December. And the whole year is gone, guys. The whole year. The whole year. That's crazy. Hopefully it was a good year for y'all. 2025 is going to be amazing, guys. Amazing. I'm so lucky, so happy to be in crypto. Man, it's going to be amazing. All right. So this is our enter now. Lower entries here. Sky's the limit. Sky's the limit. You may say, oh, what's the target? I mean, whatever you want, really. We need a first target. Some people may not like my approach because it's, I don't know, I think it's unorthodox because you need to have levels and you need to have this and that. These next 3 months, it's up only. Everybody's going to look like a genius. Everybody. You have your target high enough, you wait long enough, it'll hit. Nothing special about it. The only thing is knowing when to get out. So if you start seeing the market starting to curve or the trend starting to change, you better take your profit. You know, in case you have it at 500 or 900%. This is going to happen, you know, probably within the next 2-3 months. Could it happen next month? Sure. Next week? Sure. Next day? Sure. Because one, the market cap is low. This one here. But yeah, I love watching that. We called this one out 2 months ago, and it's up 85%. Yeah, same with the rest of the market. Nothing special. You just got to give it time. And right now, these first 3 months is when you really, if you haven't been buying, not financial advice, but if I had to tell myself, well, should I buy now? Yeah, sure, buy now. Put lower bids, 30, 40%, depending on your market cap. And then if it hits it, great. But just know that we are in the position of the bull run. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Every cycle after the halving, I believe it's every cycle, it's been up. Pretty sure. The first quarter. So those are your targets. So you sell 50% here, sell 50% here, let the rest ride until the market changes, which is, it might be March, maybe April, maybe even May. But so let me show y'all something. Of course, everybody here already knows all this stuff, but there may be some who are watching on the replay who doesn't. So this is for them. This is the price action. Up. 1 second. Up only. So what we're doing, as long as we're making higher highs, we're good. And we're not crossing our low, we're good. It literally comes down to the simplicity of this. I was talking to my buddy yesterday, and he's like, well, how do you know where the top's at? I said, man, now I have the plan to where so for this next one, here's a high. Once we do this, watch out. Watch out on the daily time frame. Watch out. We've been breaking highs this whole time and not coming back to our lows this whole time. Now we made a lower high on the daily time frame. Now, how do you know it's a lower high? That's a good question. Because we have multiple candles that went up, at least 3 to 5 candles, stopped, and then started coming down. This is how we know. Now, does that mean it's over? Nope. Because now we can do this. As long as it doesn't cross our low, we're good. This one, it might cross it, but it's like, but this one for sure. Because what's happening now is the start of the downtrend. This is when you need to start taking profits. When we first notice that this one is lower, zoom out, daily time frame. This is the key right here. Does it mean it's going to come down? Nope. It can keep on going up. But it cannot break this. If it breaks this, start taking your profits. Very important. Who's here, guys? Who is here? Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat if you are here. Let me know if you smashed the like. Definitely smash the like. And I greatly appreciate you guys very, very much. This is as simple as it gets. So for here, the Trade Academy portion of the Piper Academy Network, this is what I do. I trade in the most simplistic way. I reduce all the confusing talk and mitigation and all this other. I don't say any of those things. I support resistance trend lines. This is, now can you use those other terms? Yeah, sure, of course. But my audience, what I gravitate to are the beginners. They're not going to know what mitigation means. They're not going to know what an SFP is. They're not going to know any of those terms. But hopefully they know support, resistance. Hopefully they know a wick. It's on top. This is selling pressure, bringing the candles close down. If it's like this, it's a wick doing buying pressure. Maybe the price may go up. Doesn't mean that it will go up. There's been plenty of times where the candle had a long wick reversal, and then the next candle's like this. Doesn't mean that it will. It means that it might. But I break everything down super. Why is this not? Oh, I break everything down super simple. This is when you know we might want to start taking profit. Could you short on the down? Sure, if you want to. But for me personally, I'm not going to short on this. I might not. I mean, okay, maybe I will. But I know definitely when because more than likely we'll have this and then we'll have this. So we'll have this first top, then pull back around, I don't know, May, June, maybe even later, because now we're having more money in the market. And then once we start doing this, then more than likely I'll be taking my profits on my longs and then start shorting. Low leverage. Just in case we have the extended cycle like everybody talks about. So we'll see. Okay, moving on. Let me catch up on the chat. Let's see here. Going down the list. Yep. Okay, Diggity's correct. 100%. 2025 is the year that we all get rich. Man, we all get rich. See here. Yep. Yep. Very true. Very true. Going down the list really quick. Username says best ones are the ones that say price could go up or down. And then 2 months later say, I told you. I told you. Yep. Very, very true. All right, going down the list. Almost done. We have one more. Oh, I forgot. What was the other coin? I already forgot what the other coin was. And I'm already way in the bottom of the chat. Man, this Stream Deck prompter, $250, almost $300. Man, I'm so upset with it. I was messing with it last night for like 30 minutes to an hour. I was like, oh, it came, because there's a glare. Look, if I take this off, there's a glare. You see the glare? Now, it's supposed to be a prompter or an extra monitor, but I have to cover it. I have to cover it so the glare does not go on the mirror part, which the camera is behind, because you're supposed to use that as a prompter so I could see the chat and talk to the chat, with the camera here, but I can't. I'm still using this. So I literally threw away $300. I almost threw this thing out the window. And I was messing with it for a good 30 minutes. I said, maybe the camera needs to be further out. But then no. Oh, maybe it needs to be closer in. Nope. Maybe I need to prop up the camera. Nope. Maybe I need an angle to project the whole thing. Nope. I don't know if it's, I don't know. I haven't even looked to for help or anything. Dude, but I'm so upset. $300, man. Just so I can see the chat here so I can talk to the chat. But instead, I'm still doing this. Moving on. Let's see here. Darren Does Things says, let's see here. I don't know, is Chotch second. Oh, one lower low is Chotch, second lower is Boss, and that's no good. Yeah. Yeah. So of course you have the Chotch, you have the Boss, you have all that fun stuff. I just keep it simple. Breaks this level, we enter. Simple. You can call it a Chotch, a Boss. You can call it whatever you want. I call it money when it breaks this level. Breaks the level, we're good. Breaks this low, or this low really, we're in trouble. Because now it can come down to this low. If it breaks this low, we're even more trouble. Simple. Simple. Let's see here. Here. Golden Wolf says, good afternoon from Seattle, USA, 1:30 p.m. Here it is, 4:30 in the East Coast. Oh yeah, B-cut. So let's look at B-cuts. B-cuts. Here, is there a way to connect Blowfin account to TradingView? I'm pretty sure there is. I wouldn't do it. I don't trust anything like that. And so my reasoning is the exchanges, they're very, very secure, extremely secure. How secure is TradingView? Oh, I know the exchanges make millions upon millions upon millions of dollars. Shoot, man, probably per day. And I'm pretty sure the exchanges can go into, very strenuous security tests and breaches and, have rewards for somebody who finds a breach. Does TradingView have that? Don't know. So I love TradingView, but I would never connect my TradingView to an actual thing. I would have my TradingView, then I had my exchange. I chart on my TradingView. I look at my exchange. I'll do like a real quick assessment, either with my eyeballs or I'll draw out some lines, and then I'll enter on my exchange. But I never want them connected. Could you connect it? Probably. But for those reasons, I won't. For those reasons, I won't. All right. So let's look at this. Let's go to B-cuts. Man, I've been eating these all day long. These are cough drops. All right. B-cut. But that was funny. B-cuts. Joe, grow up. It's okay. Man, another low market. So this one is 22 million. Let's go to all. Token unlocks. I didn't even see this earlier. Chart. All. Came out earlier this year. Same thing. Came down. Really no pumps until just recently. This is a DPED, AI, services, Web3, distributed computing. I love that. Let's go to the website. Bits Crunch. A bit festive. Okay. I can dig it. AI enabled decentralized blockchain data network. A lot of buzzwords in the very top. SEO optimization to its finest. One API, infinite insights. Okay. See here, platform Bits Crunch is an AI-enabled decentralized blockchain data platform that enables developers to seamlessly build reliable application, known as dApps. Okay. Advanced, here we go. Retro Mike Tech says distributed computed gets me paid. Yep, 100%. This I love. Advanced blockchain analysis. By leveraging AI technology, the network provides accurate and in-depth analytics and blockchain assets, helping users make informed decisions about their investments. This is gold. Okay. Pricing. The most in-depth data on entities, tokens, wallets, and other blockchain assets available at most affordable price. Okay. Now, there's a lot of places to do this for free, but they may start charging, and this is not a lot either. You can do hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of them, and then pay like 1 cent. I like it. It's got a use case, and it's got a like a payment for it. I like this. Man, you guys are amazing. This is why I love doing live streams. I would never in my life look at this stuff or even know where to find it or how y'all found it. Network, a decentralized and AI-enabled network providing comprehensive and reliable data across multiple chains, enabling a scalable, permissionless, and censorship-resistant environment. Use case, bingo and a bango. Fraud detection and alerting. Blockchain gaming. DeFi. I like it. Supported networks, whole bunch. Testimonials. All right. For giggles, let's go to their X. See here. Nope. Username, you've been spot on, man. You've been spot on. So they've been around for 4 years. Going on 5. I'll add that up. 93,000 followers. I like this a lot. Backed by Coinbase, Chainlink, big names. Dude, and the market cap is so low. I mean, I like everything I see. You know, it's got nice interaction. I'm very curious on that, the market analysis. Because, I mean, right now there's some that are free, you know, bots. But if you have to pay for it, I think maybe, just like anything, it may be better service. And that's why I always say, like, man, I'm giving my stuff out for free. They may think it's not valuable, but it's valuable, in my opinion. Phishing volume over the year. Man, I like this a lot. This is a winner. Winner. We have 2 bangers. 2 bangers on the show. You guys are the gift that keeps on giving. So this is B cuts. So let us look at a B cuts. Do another one. So the first one that was really good. I mean, there's a few of them, but DEVVE, I think that's what it was, and then also B cuts. So let's look at this one, B cuts. This is on MEXC. I love MEXC. Beautiful. Man, this is ready for the taking. Look at that. It is ready for the taking. So, of course, you know, this number start coming down, coming down, coming down. We don't enter. You don't want to enter until it breaks this level. Then the next high, we don't want to enter until it breaks this level. We don't want to enter until it breaks this level. We don't want to enter until it breaks this level, this level, this level, this one, and so. But you can see that these are getting kind of tight. And depending on the percentage, from here to here, 8%. Yeah, these are getting pretty tight. So for here, personally, I would not want to enter until it breaks this level. If I was doing a trade, but I'm not doing a trade, I'm doing an investment. With an investment, if it goes down, I just add more to it. I don't have to watch it. I'll put a lower entry. So for my lower entry, for sure, going to be about 30%. No, only 15%? Man, that's nothing. All right, so I'll do 2 then, I guess. So this would be my lower entry, 15%, which is nothing. And then I'll do another lower entry. Let's see. I won't count that. 30%. I'll do 35. Okay, 30. Okay, 35. No, 28. 30. It doesn't even matter. I don't think it's going to hit it. We'll do 35. Why not? We'll do 35. So let's just say I had $500 to for this coin. You may have $10. You may have $5 million. Just doing simple numbers. For here, I really like it. We had this downtrend. It looks like it's stopping and possibly reversing. So for here, I want to say 300. I'll do 300 at this price right now. Again, not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Did I do a line? No, wrong line. So this one is, oh, I have my thing. I always forget. YouTube. Dang it. Be here December 31st, 5 o'clock. I hope you all have a very safe New Year's Eve. You know, as you get older, you get wiser. So just be very, very careful. So here we would enter, these will be our lower bids. We'll do this just to make it fancy. Lower entry, make sure our numbers are correct. Yep, that's correct. Do another lower entry. This one's not correct. Let's see here. I just do this, copy, lower entry. Okay, so everything's correct. And then, let's if it pulls back. I think it'll go up more to about here, pull back to about here, and then moon mission. Moon mission. Gosh, darn it. Okay, now that's not even fair. I'm highlighting them all. I don't know why I didn't do all of it. Of course. Of course. This is what I'm looking at. And then if it does break this level, If it breaks this level, we can add yeah, why not? We can add to it here. And what we'll do is we'll just cancel our lowest entry. Oh yeah, so I forgot. So this one, let's see here, that's 3. I have 2. Yeah, I just do $50 here. And then 150 here. 50. That's what I do. All right. Let's see here. Golden Wolf says, LOL, some of my neighbors being really safe. Let's see, 1/4 big time. Nice. Let's see here. Going down the list really quick. That's crazy. See here. Yeah, the town that I'm in, super boring. Remember, I think it was last year or the year before, my cousin was here, and I think it was, I would say 4th of July. You know, we bought fireworks and everything, and it's like, all right, let's go out pop some fireworks. And we were the only ones popping fireworks. The only ones. And I was like, oh, that's fine. They'll probably pop them later at night. Nope. I think we stopped popping them like around 9. And we're expecting, 10, 11. Nope, nothing. Very boring here. Which is good. It keeps me out of trouble. Which is good. Here. All right. Oh, yeah. Waking the dog and me. Yeah. Yeah. Very true. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. I do thank you very much. Today was really great. We had 2 amazing coins from the community. Greatly appreciate you guys for sharing those. I think they are going to do really well. Of course, we do this every single day, Monday through Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, we have the other ones up top. You see how there's a reflection? It's this dumb. Oh man, this thing gets me so upset, guys. You have no idea. And what was funny is like, well, I'll just use it as a display monitor. And then I have my camera off to the side of it so I can read the chat, but my camera's here. And I'm thinking, wait a minute, that defeats the purpose of me buying this dumb prompter. The prompter is supposed to have the camera here so I can read the stuff here. And I was like, I'm thinking about returning it. I don't know, $300. We'll see. All right, guys, thank you so much. We will see you later on. I do thank you. Be safe, be careful. I'm not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. So let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where I make trading extremely simple. I break it down to the bare bones, really. All right, we'll see you guys later. Take care, and that's it. See ya.
In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joey bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, network the mission.
All right, guys, thank you so much. Happy New Year. Be safe. See ya.